Afraha.
Hi, my name is Oliver.
Hi everyone, my name is Ain.
Hey everyone, I'm Shubini.
And we're from
SMK Dato Dosare.
Our DIY project is a mini water filter system, and we're going to show you how to make it. This DIY project is a very good idea as it will help solve a problem, which is lack of clean drinking water in some areas.
It's true, so that's why we're making this. It's really easy to make as it uses basic things you can find easily. Here are the materials that will be used: plastic bottles, sand, activated charcoal, gravel, and a piece of cloth.
Let's begin. First, cut the bottom of the plastic bottle, turn it upside down. Place a cloth at the neck to act as the first layer. Next, add a layer of activated charcoal. It will help to remove chemicals and bad odors. Then, pour in a layer of sand to trap tiny dirt particles. At last, add gravel on top that catches the bigger stuff like leaves and twigs.
Water can be poured from the top and go through filtration. The filtered water should be boiled before being consumed, but it can be used in emergencies.
Okay guys, that's it for our DIY project today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.